Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming basic network and account prerequisites. This prevents wasting time. First, verify Xbox Live service status on a phone or PC so you know whether the issue is external. Once done, power cycle the console and your router. Hold power for 10 seconds, then wait 30 seconds before restarting to clear cached network faults. Make sure you have your Microsoft sign-in details and that the console reports the latest system update. This avoids authentication and compatibility errors. Next, focus on deeper network and account actions that commonly resolve service info errors. You should run the network test in Xbox settings and note NAT type and packet loss. Strict NAT or high loss causes connectivity failure. If needed, clear the alternate MAC address and set DNS to automatic or try 8 and 8, 4 to bypass ISP DNS issues. Finally, sign out, remove your profile, and re-add it. This forces credential refreshes and can restore service listings. Finally, apply advanced remedies and a clear troubleshooting plan so you finish confidently. If problems persist, perform a console reset but keep games and apps to avoid redownloading. Only use full reset if necessary. Check your router. Enable UPnP, disable strict firewall rules, or forward Xbox Live ports to the console IP because blocked ports prevent service info retrieval. If the issue remains, test using a mobile hotspot to isolate ISP problems, then collect network logs and contact Xbox support for targeted help.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.